Hey everybody. So I wanted to give you a recap on our past couple of weeks that have included a trip and just unexpected all chaos that you would deal with as you're moving and going through this transition. Because I'm here to tell you the lasts have begun. This morning, we just did our very last demo on Good Morning KAKELand to help promote the farmers market. So that was the last time we're doing that. And so last weekend, or actually, let me back up 2 weekends ago, our son came home. And you know, as you're getting ready to move, we're doing all the purging and the cleaning and all the things. So we made him go through tubs and boxes of his childhood, and so he was able to downsize Legos and Power Rangers and Transformers and all the things. And so it was a good little trip down memory lane for him. He requested tacos while he was home for the weekend, and so we sat on the patio with him and had a great dinner. He also requested the same breakfast burritos that we had done at our daughter's wedding several weeks before. So that was our breakfast with him. And then, so here we were, you know, kind of churning through the week, savoring leftovers, doing baked oatmeals. And we made our baked buffalo cauliflower salad. That is an absolute flavor bursting, fantastic meal. Helping, you know, prep for Zonya's online courses and some of the new recipes that she's working on, or we're working on together. So then we took off on a trip to our last Kansas State University family weekend because our son's a senior at K-State. And so we took him and his now fiance out to dinner on Friday night to one of the places in Manhattan, Kansas that we love to eat, Tallgrass Tap House. And one of the things that the K-State band does on Friday night, so the football games are obviously Saturday, but on Friday night, they do this pep rally where some of the band members come around to the restaurants and the bars, and they even go to the mall and lots of areas downtown. And it was so cool to see that as we were finishing dinner. We headed off to the K-State football game, and we had a great time, such a great time tailgating with friends that I forgot to take a picture, but we tailgated with friends before the game. And then our son's fiance, Jody, she won club seat tickets to the game. So we even got to be in air conditioning for a little while during the game. So that was very cool. And then, on the front end of that trip to K-State, we actually went through Kansas City and were able to have a couple of meals with our parents. My dad and I both have celebrated birthdays within the past week. So I got Korean barbecue chicken tacos on our patio for my birthday dinner. And then Dad and I were able to enjoy a meal together for our birthday too. So got to see the parents, got to see our kiddo, had our last family weekend, and then this week has been full of all the unexpected chaos, including inspections and appraisals and unexpected stolen credit card number. So that was fun. But this morning we tried to inspire people to go to the market and start savoring that fall produce, even though it may not feel quite like fall yet. But we did the roasted butternut squash fajitas. So there's peppers and onions and butternut squash in there. And we tried to show people what to do with winter squash. And so this is what we are going to savor today, is the leftovers of this. And then we have leftover roasted veggies that we're going to turn into dinner tonight, probably with some pasta and salad. You know how we like to do that. And then we will probably do overnight oatmeal in the morning as we head to the farmer's market, trying to savor these last few Saturdays of going to the Kansas Grown Farmers Market and seeing all of our friends. So We hope you had a great couple of weeks, and stay tuned. I'm sure we will have more chaos to show you.